You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Butch and I are going to check out Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty.
I was like, when you say that, Crazy Aaron's LPS.
I'm going to bring up a topic with you, Butch, because do you realize that people think you were in every video?
Every Crazy Aaron's video?
No, every video.
Well, I am in every video in spirit, LPS Dave.
Because they ask, where's Butch? Where's Butch? And I always have to say, Butch has not been in every video. He's in certain videos.
He works me like a dog as it is. I couldn't imagine being in every video. That's exhausting with all my other responsibilities around the shop.
Yeah, okay, all right.
And,
New topic.
And meals and naps.
So we have over 7,200 videos, and you're in maybe a seventh of them, if that.
A seventh? That's a funny number, LPS Dave.
I know, but it felt good. 7,000.
I like it.
Yeah.
What percent is that?
I don't know.
Put it in the comments if you can figure out that math, folks.
All right, well, either way, I saw this on Crazy Aaron's website.
Hey, can I say something interesting?
Yeah, go ahead.
A new topic. I don't think I've, ironically enough, I don't think I've ever been in a Crazy Aaron's video.
Well, there's a reason for that.
Okay.
I need to be
Great.
quiet, and I need to focus, and people like the sounds, and you just tend to get in the way.
Hey, LPS Dave, new topic.
Yeah, go ahead.
What is Crazy Aaron's?
Crazy Aaron's is a thinking putty.
Oh, boy.
It's great for stress.
Does the putty think?
It does not. It helps you think as you're playing with it.
Who is Crazy Aaron?
He's a guy that developed the putty itself. And actually, I got to say, in the last 3 years, I'm guessing he handed the marketing and just the whole operation to somebody different than himself. Because they've totally changed the product line, expanded, moved in different directions. And that's what we're going to check out here. Can we get back to the
new topic?
product?
One more topic, I promise. So Crazy Aaron, he's crazy, but this new marketing guy is really crazy.
I'm just saying, they have come up with some really cool stuff. And when I saw this, I said, well, Butch and I did a whole series on mini games, mini sports games, mini stuff. And now we could actually play Thinking Putty basketball.
What?
Thinking Putty baseball, cornhole.
Well,
Thinking Putty football, field goal,
Oh,
and Thinking Putty just for kicks.
Wow, LPS Dave. I came at the right time.
Now, do you have a favorite sport?
Yes, LPS Dave. I love Frisbee.
Frisbee? Okay.
Frisbee golf.
All right, hold on. Do you have a favorite sport out of these four?
Oh. What were my choices again, LPS Dave? I lost track. I don't pay attention when you're talking, sorry.
Basketball, baseball, football.
Love it.
Football, or soccer to some people.
Can I do all of the above?
All right, so let's decide on one. Let's see. Let's look at the soccer one. It says, go for the goal with the just for kicks thinking putty. Set. Shape the awesome black and white putty into a ball and score on the goalie. Collect them all, which we have right here.
Usually what happens when I play these sports is the ball
All right, so I'm going to read... I'm sorry,
are
are you talking? I'm sorry, are you talking?
I can't understand why you'd never let me in one of these videos.
I just want to focus here. Get your gridiron. So this brings up my point why you're not in every video. So let's just let this flow. Okay, I will let you read two of them. I will read the football one. Get your gridiron game on point with the football field goal thinking putty set. Shape the putty into a football and kick it through the goalpost. That's going to be fun. All right, you are going to do baseball.
I don't know if his name is appropriate, LPS Dave.
That's okay. It's
Aaron?
crazy fun. Oh, Aaron? All right, read the baseball.
Play ball! The baseball cornhole thinking putty set combines all the fun of America's pastime. That's bowling. With everyone's favorite backyard game, LPS Dave. That would be lawn jarts. And shoot some hoops wherever you are with the nothing but net thinking putty set, LPS Dave. Roll the putty into a ball and take your best shot.
All right, well, pick one.
Oh, I think we should go with baseball cornhole.
All right, so I think we're going to do the soccer one.
That's what I
So when we come back...
Crazy LPS Dave's Thinking Putty Anarchy.
Let us play tabletop soccer.
Not as fun as cornhole.
Yeah, we'll get to that one later. All right, so the cornhole, football, basketball we'll do at a later date. What's this? Angry Putty Hothead. That might be a good one for you to check out. Ages 4+. I'm not saying you're a hothead in any way, but, you know, sometimes you get a little rambunctious. All right. Here we go. Here's what's in the package. Now, this size 10, I have never seen before with Crazy Aaron's.
Me neither.
I just want to thank you for not being too exuberant to where you deafen people. Okay, this size tin I have never seen from Crazy Aaron's. I think it's a new size. They have the small one, they have the medium one, the large one, the extra large one. Oh, there's Aaron. So you were asking about Aaron. Doesn't he look happy? He's always smiling. So I am going to take this. This is called a goal. Okay. Goal! Goal! This looks like this goes on here. But let us read. Okay. Step 1. Bend the top flap on the main net. Apply gentle pressure to ensure the proper angle of top piece to net. Okay, so which way am I bending? Bending down, bending this way.
Careful.
Not very clear, Crazy Aaron. Not very clear. Attach both side pieces to the net. Okay, so it looks like something like this. This one's going to go here. I just want to make sure I get this 100% correcto mundo. Okay. Let me just try this piece first and see. Okay, so maybe it goes this way. I don't think it goes that way. Now, I think what they should have done is shown you a better picture of the piece so you know which way you're bending in which direction. Yeah, it doesn't seem to fit that way. Maybe that needs to go in there with it at the same time. Like that. I think we got it. Okay, so slowly bend this a little bit more. Crack, crack, crack! And then stick this into this, and this into this, and you need to do it all at one time. Okay, Crazy Aaron. I really think companies should send me things before they finalize the instructions. Because I would probably say, you know what, I'd write that a little bit differently. But we're getting it. We're getting through this.
Careful.
Being very careful. The best part is it's just so quiet in here. It just gets me to, I get to think. I get to think, not be interrupted. Okay, there. See, I did it. Place the bottom piece of the goalie into the swing lever piece. Okay, so he's going this way. It looks like this goes into this. That's what I'm assuming. I have to assume.
Careful.
And then he's like, do, I'm the goalie, shoot! He scored! I'm Crazy Aaron, I'm crazy Aaron, crazy. Okay.
I can't hold it out anymore, LPS Dave.
What?
I'm sorry. Oh, it looks like so much fun. This Aaron guy's crazy. He's a crazy goalie, LPS Dave. I held out as long as I could. Whew. I feel so much better.
After you set your soccer net and goalie, are you okay?
I feel great now.
Were you actually purposely trying to be quiet?
It's hard. It's impossible, actually,
for
me, LPS Dave.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. Now, everybody, are you okay? Are you really okay?
I feel great now.
All right. I'll read that while I check out the buddy.
Gameplay, LPS Dave, after you've set up your soccer net and goalie, check.
Cool.
Use your thinking putty, registered trademark, to make a soccer ball. Remember, a smooth, round ball will be easier to kick.
Okay.
Try and make yours as round as you can. Experiment with sizes to find which works best for you.
Okay.
Set up your goal post 6-inch, 12-inch, or even 18 inches away. Ooh, that's hard. Position your ball and use your index finger, LPS Dave. That's the first one next to your thumb, by the way. Your index finger and thumb to flick the ball toward the goal. But watch out for the goalie, LPS Dave.
That's Crazy Aaron.
He's crazy, all right.
All
right, you want the just for fun? Or
no,
okay,
I made it as round as I could.
Oh, I don't know, LPS Dave.
That look good?
I think it's round in one direction, but looks more like a tire, LPS Dave. I don't know if I've ever seen a tire on a soccer
field. Did you say make it as round as possible?
I think ball form is the key there.
Oh.
Make it into a ball.
I gotcha.
Yes, maybe round on all edges.
Okay, so what's in here, Butch, is some little like...
Is that pepper?
It's black, like a... I want to say it's plasticky, but it looks like... Like a little stop sign piece. I don't know what you'd call
Little
it.
Beebles, LPS Dave.
Little what?
Beebles.
Beebles? What's that?
Beebles.
What's that?
Well, Beebles wobble, but they don't fall down. You know that. Beebles are shapeable, formable into a soccer ball shape and form.
All right, so here we go.
Oh, the meatball hands are coming out. Here we go. I've seen you make meatballs, LPS Dave. 2 hands at a time.
You know, someone once called me ham hands in a video.
What?
Yeah, ham hands.
No. Meatball hands. Are when you make
Meatball hands.
When you make your meatballs, they're delicious.
Okay, that's a big soccer
It's a
ball.
giant soccer ball.
I think I want to minimize.
It does say experiment with different sizes. I think you might kill Crazy.
I missed that. Did you say that to me or?
It says, let's see. Try and make yours as round as you can. Experiment with sizes to find which one works best for you.
Okay, I'm thinking based on his size.
Yeah, if you want to go proportionally, LPS.
Proportionately, the ball would probably be about yay big. Would you think that's a good size soccer ball?
That's about right, LPS Dave.
You think so? All right. Actually looks like an eyeball.
It's got an eyeball on
Yeah,
it.
he's
That's a
looking
good
at you.
thing.
Oh, I'm looking at you.
That's kind of scary.
All right. All right. So that's the size I want for my soccer
Now
ball.
flick away, LPS Dave.
Well, I kind of want you to do the flicking.
I have no forefinger and I have no.
Yeah,
index
but you
finger. I
got
have no
super
thumb.
paws. Super paws. Watch.
Well, that's true.
Oh,
Nice save,
block.
Crazy Aaron.
Oh,
Nice save, Crazy Aaron.
Go!
Nice save, Crazy
Come on,
Aaron.
get in there. Hey!
Oh.
Go! All right, so the good thing is you just take another little piece and you can make another little quick ball and boing. Oh!
Wow.
Now this might actually be the size we need it.
Oh, wow. Ouch.
I just shot.
Nailed
that
Crazy Aaron right in the forehead.
Because the big one,
He's pretty good at this, I have to say. He's a
Yeah,
pretty good
he's
goalie.
just standing there. This one here might be kind of easy to.
Wow.
Oh, went
That'll
right in.
work.
Did you see
Just
that?
knock him right over.
I tell you what, you ready?
I'm always ready.
The first one to 3, which will be me, wins. Okay.
I am index finger and thumb challenged, but I'll do my best.
Oh, come on. We've seen those paws do amazing things. Don't even start.
True statement.
Don't even start.
True statement. Hey, little goalie. How you doing there, little Crazy Aaron? I'm about to show you how to play this game.
All right, a couple ground rules. All right, you get 1 kick. That's it, 1 kick. You can't like miss it and then kick again. And then you have to say 3, 2, 1, so I know you're going to kick.
That's not how they do it in a game, LPS Dave.
Well,
it's the element of surprise.
I want to be ready.
Oh! Oops.
That looked terrible.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's 1 kick. Is it best of 3,
I
right?
was trying to surprise you.
You get 3 kicks. I got to get this right to your paw.
Thank you, LPS Dave.
All right, so
All
here
right,
we
I'll
go.
do 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Kick! Oh, I'm pulling a
Okay.
little bit left there. I'm pulling a
Yeah.
little left.
What's going on?
I gotta hook it the other way. It's hook. Hook
Okay.
it.
All right, here we go.
Three.
Wait.
Oh.
All right.
Did that count?
That did not count. I'm going to give you, it's like playing pool when you hit the cue ball accidentally. It counts. All right. So
Mulligan. All right, LPS Dave. Ready?
I'm
Ready, Crazy Aaron?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
I'll give you another try.
Oh, LPS
I think
Dave.
you're having fun, right?
I love this game.
I'll tell you what. Let me move the goal over here.
Aha! Very nice.
All right, here we go.
Ready, 1?
Yeah. I'm
2,
ready.
3.
Go.
I may need to do 1, 2, 3 instead of 3, 2, 1.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Oh! Nice save.
Blocked by Crazy Aaron.
He is pretty good at this, LPS Dave.
Do
I
it
have to
again.
say.
Do it again. You're really not too good at it. But, you were saying that you're a little paw challenged. All right, go ahead.
Ready? Fling away.
Oh, you missed.
Wow, you can just drive around with the goal on your back.
It's quite cool, actually. All right.
Oh, even when you're not ready.
You hit him.
Ah.
All right, give me a chance. Okay, ready, set. No!
Oh, almost.
Right by the goal.
I'm getting it up yet.
Okay,
I'm
so
getting the hang of it.
best of 13. All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! You scored. Now it's my turn.
Can you edit out the first 30 shots?
Yeah, maybe I will. Just make it look like
Thanks,
you're the
LPS.
star. All right, your turn. You got 1 goal
Na.
in what, 13 shots?
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
I think that's like 72% accuracy rate.
Maybe. All right, just let me know when you're ready.
Are you
ready? And bing!
Oh, that was a save and a goal.
One goal. That's gonna cause you problems, I think, if it's stuck in there. And action! Whoa!
Oh, hit the post.
Off your head.
Ouch. The post that's in my head. Nice trying up yesterday. Well, that was fun.
No, I'm not done. I think it's just easier if I just shoot a bunch.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Are you ready?
I'll be
and one.
No,
Boink.
no,
One.
no.
Boink.
Oh, save.
Boink.
No good.
Boink.
Oh, no good.
Boink.
Come on, LPS Dave.
Boink.
Save.
Oh,
nice
I win.
One.
I got 2 in, see? Mm-hmm. That was fun.
Pretty impressive, LPS Dave, I have to say.
Now, let me try one big one. Let's see if you can stop the big one.
Oh, you're not getting that through.
Are you ready?
Am I ready?
Okay, here we go. Let me just get a little
Careful.
bit.
Oh, wait.
I might come in on an angle. They say you could, play, right? This is a game, right?
I think I should be over here then. For that.
No, you're doing great. You're doing great. And a 1 and a 2. Point! Oh! Did I just hit you in the head?
Right in the chin, LPS Dave.
Sorry. I'm truly sorry. All right, one more time.
I didn't feel the sincerity in that apology, LPS Dave.
I'm so sorry. And point! Oh!
Try it again. Come on, try it again.
I gotta get it. It went all the way on the ground.
If this were a real soccer game, that ball would be about 18 feet tall, LPS Dave.
I think so, based on Crazy Aaron. All right, Butch, thank you for grabbing that.
No problem, LPS Dave.
They normally don't want to wet the putty, but
no choice.
We'll overcome. We'll conquer and overcome. I just had to kind of clean off your saliva.
Hey, by the way, I wanted to mention how you resourcefully used the putty to hold down the goalie net, LPS Dave.
Yeah, I wonder if anybody noticed. It works great as a goalie holder. So if you're running into the same situation, I wish I had it. See, I had to have 2 hands on it. You could just sit there.
Didn't seem to bother the LPS.
Play the game.
It still crushed me at this game.
Okay, so I'm going to do this one more time. We're going to end it here, everybody. Look forward to the other videos.
With craziest Aaron.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to go. And thanks for watching, everybody.
Come on, LPS Dave. Na.
Later.
Can't get a goal. Bye-bye, everybody. Can't get a goal. Not going to happen.
Oh.
Blocked.
Oh.
Blocked.
Oh, that was in.
Blocked.
Oh, hit.
Blocked.
In.
Blocked.
Oh.
Blocked.
Oh.
Blocked.
Oh,
blocked.
in. In.
Blocked.
In.
Wow.
I did much better on that.
We need to go to the instant replay.
Well, I don't think we need that. I think I won. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.